Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the console now. Press F9 or the / key in-game to reveal logs and the chat input. You need to join a session where you can type commands. For script testing, use Roblox Studio Play so you control the environment. Once the console is visible, focus the input field and type a simple command like print hello to verify it executes. This first step confirms access and prevents wasted debugging later when you move to complex commands. Now you build functionality. Enter Lua expressions and call game services to inspect state, for example, game get service players. Local player. Use text service. Filter string async to convert raw text into a filtered result before broadcasting to other players. This is why filtering matters for safety and compliance. Monitor the different console tabs, output for logs, server for server-side messages, client for local events, and error for stack traces, so you know where. Finish by running the chat flow end-to-end. Send filtered messages through your chat handler and observe console output. If a message fails or errors appear, read the stack trace to find the offending line, then add print statements or set breakpoints in Studio to inspect variables in context. Make sure to test both client and server pathways because chat often involves remote events. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing logs, verify the console level filters aren't hiding output or error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.